Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's TJ and today I want to show you this oscillating tool from DeWALT. It's a 20 volt max XR. This tool is kind of cool. It's used for cutting out things in wood or under doorways or projects that are kind of hard to get to. This piece of wood I cut out with a chisel, and it took me quite a long time, not the perfect cut, so I got this tool to see if I can do it a lot quicker and a lot cleaner. Let's get to it. First thing, we'll get this box open and make sure we have all the pieces. It comes in a nice DeWALT tool bag, which is pretty handy. Oh, I got this kit on a Black Friday deal for 99 bucks. So I'm kind of happy with what we get. We'll see. It comes with a battery, a charger, the oscillating tool, and we get two different blades. Just a closer look of what's in the bag here. We got a 1.5 amp hour battery, and then the two blades, we got a bimetal blade and a fast wood cutting blade. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this battery on the charger. While that battery's charging, we'll go over the tool a little bit. This is the XR version, and the XR version is a 20,000 RPM motor. It comes with 3 different speed selections. That is pretty handy, especially if you're a woodworker or a handyman. You know, having the different speeds for whatever different materials you're working on, I think is real slick. A little flashlight in the front so you can see the material you're working with. This has a pretty robust locking mechanism on it, so if you have a DeWALT branded cutting head, this slides on there, locks in place. You can change a different angle depending on how you're working. If you're using non-DeWALT branded or generic cutting parts or tools, accessories that go on there, DeWALT sends you this. It's a locking collar, and that'll fit right on the end here to fit any other accessories that wouldn't necessarily have to be DeWALT made. So it's a brushless motor, and uses the 20 volt max batteries. All in all, this seems like a pretty slick little tool. Alright, I got the battery charged up, and it's just a small 1.5 amp hour battery. But for what this tool is used for just small projects around the house, that should be plenty. And I'll show you up close how this locking mechanism works. So it's just got teeth on here, and those teeth will line up with that tool head. Go ahead and just get it in place. And it should just lock down like that. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get to cutting. So that's on number 1. We'll go over to number 3 and see what we can do here. Definitely cuts a lot faster than hitting it away with the chisel. makes a pretty smooth cut, and it didn't take very long. I was going slow, trying to keep on the lines, and it was about 3 minutes. So 3 minutes each side, 6 minutes total. A lot better than the 45 minutes it took me with the chiseling. I found this oscillating tool to cut pretty neat. Here's a slow motion of how it works. It just goes back and forth really quick, just a small amount of space. So we had our cuts made, and I just wanted to give you a close-up here on this blade. It is a pretty thin blade. Let's see if I can get that to focus there. It is kind of a thin blade, so it does get kind of hot when we're running it. But if you can look, though, none of those teeth have any damage or wear on them. And now we just made some simple cuts into some pretty soft wood. But I could see this blade, you know, really getting dull quickly if you have to make a lot of cuts in quick succession. So for that, yeah, it's not the best quality blade, but that's the one that came free with it. A lot of different companies, and DeWALT including, make different blades and attachments for these. So I'm not too worried about that. Plus, being a cheap blade, we can just sharpen it with a file after we use it. Well, that's it for this video. I'm really glad that I picked up this DeWALT oscillating tool. It's the XR version, which has the different speeds on it. I find that that gives you a little bit more control. It's pretty handy. And for 99 bucks, you can't go wrong. So yeah, it gets my approval. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.